Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel TATA Creation. And today we are going to unboxing a scale model of a TATA product, TATA ARIA. And this product is officially merchandised by the TATA and it comes in 1:43 ratio. TATA had discontinued this TATA ARIA from the production long back, and it's a 8-seater car. It's a only competitor for the Toyota Innova. Major drawback of the Tata products, which I feel personally, like all the cars are being designed in the same pattern, so that is a drawback in the Indian market, like which is not help them to get that much of sales. But always Tata product has good in build quality. After getting this Jaguar and the Land Rover into the Tata, we are getting a lot of massive design in Tata cars. And see this backside of this car, it's similar to the Tata Indica Vista, and when it's come to a side post, it's getting to know that like it's a 8-seater car. So that is the main drawback in the design on those days. But it's having a beautiful alloy wheels and the tail light and headlight as well. This model car having a lot of detail. Even the logo of this Tata is. Look at this detailed interior part of this car. Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from TATA Creation. Thanks for watching this video, and please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button.